Building consistent morning and evening routines can completely change how you experience each day. Imagine starting your mornings energized and focused, and ending your evenings with peace and a sense of accomplishment. Sounds good, right? Introducing the Routine Tracker. This tracker turns your daily habits into a nurturing process for a virtual tree. It makes building routines simple, fun, and visually rewarding, turning every completed task into a step toward growth. Every completed habit helps your sapling grow into a lush, fruit-bearing tree, a visual representation of your efforts blossoming. Setting it up is quick and easy. Click the Setup page link. Begin by listing all your morning and evening routines. Think of habits that energize your mornings, like journaling, exercising, or planning your day, and those that wind down your evenings, like meditating, stretching, or reading. Assign time blocks to each routine. Use the drop-down menu to exclude certain days. Whether you want to track daily habits, alternate days, weekends, or unique schedules like 2 days on, 1 day off, the tracker is flexible to match your lifestyle. Once you're all set, your tracker is ready to go. When a new week begins, simply click the Restart button to refresh your tracker and set a small reward for completing the week. It could be a treat, a movie night, or something you've been wanting. Whatever keeps you motivated. Each time you check off a habit, you earn experience points. These points help your tree grow, transforming it from a tiny sapling into a vibrant, flourishing tree. Your daily progress is also visualized with water droplets. The more habits you complete in a day, the more water your plant receives and the healthier it grows. With the Routine Tracker, you'll do more than build habits. You'll watch your efforts come to life in the form of a thriving tree, all while creating meaningful routines that energize your mornings and bring calm to your evenings. Start your journey today. Click the link below in the description to download your tracker and make your routines rewarding, fun, and intentional. I hope you enjoy the template as much as we've enjoyed creating it for you. If you find this tracker helpful and want to show some love, you can buy us a coffee. And if you're looking for customization or have specific needs, you can always hire us to tweak the tracker to your unique goals. Good day.